I can tell a lot of people are having a hard time making money on the internet. These are the people that are watching this video right now. And I know you're sick and tired of wasting your time on videos that are not worth it. Well, don't worry. It's not your fault. You just haven't been shown the right ways to make money online. In this video, I will show you a simple yet effective way to make an extra $200, $500, or even up to $1,000 in passive income. Using this method, all you have to do is set things up correctly, and this can run for you 24 hours, 7 days a week, so you can start earning money even while you sleep. In this video, I'll show you a full step-by-step tutorial about how to set up this amazing income stream. So make sure to watch this video all the way until the end, because I will be dropping some hidden tips and tricks that you can use to maximize your earnings with this method. And like most of the videos that I post on this channel, this is 100% free, and you will not be needing any credit cards or online banking account to start making money with this method. This also works worldwide, so no matter where you are watching from, you will be able to use this method to generate an online passive income. But before we get into it, hello and welcome back to Try This Method. In this channel, I look around the internet and find ways for you to make money online, and I share them with you in these videos. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and activate notifications so you never miss out on any future videos. And also, if you have any concerns, questions, or anything you want to say, make sure to comment down below. Now let us get started. So for this video today, I want you to go to this website called Creative Live. You can go here by easily clicking on your address bar of your browser and enter in creativelive.com. We'll be using Creative Live to generate between $200 and $1,000 in passive revenue, and I will walk you through the process step by step. Now, before we carry on with the video, I'm interested to know which country you guys are watching from right now. Please leave a comment down below saying which country you're watching from. So how does Creative Live work? Well, Creative Live offers a variety of training and classes. So if I simply click on this classes button right here, you can see a variety of class types. Creative Live offers a variety of lessons including business, Photoshop classes, and so much more. There are so many classes that people can actually study on Creative Live. And don't worry, this is a completely free technique and you will not have to invest any money and you won't have to take any courses whatsoever. But basically, what we'll be doing on this website is referring other people and promoting the class. As a result, other people will purchase the classes on Creative Live. And this is a win-win situation, since you can earn a lot of money by referring other people to these professional programs, and those people you refer can also enjoy and begin learning a lot on Creative Live. So first and foremost, you should go to this website and go all the way down to the bottom and find the portion that says Join Us. Now, you want to look for this link right here that says Become an Affiliate, and under that part, you just want to click on it. You will be redirected to another website where you can locate your Creative Live's affiliate program, which states that you may make money by linking your audience to this amazing content on the website. Now, the reason we're using Creative Live and not another website is because 30% commissions on every consumer sale. If we compare that to most of the websites that provide affiliate programs and affiliate marketing opportunities, 30% is a very large fee, especially given that this website provides a lot of good value and has good reputation, which makes selling these services much easier. And they also have a broad choice of classes and courses that you can advertise, making it flexible and providing you with several earning potential. But it doesn't end there. You can earn a commission on any purchase made by referred consumers within 30 days of their first click. So let's say, for example, you're promoting this class right here, which has a price of $29. You can earn 30% of that. And for the next 30 days, if that person ends up buying any other class, you will still get 30% from all the classes that they will buy during that first 30 days. And based on my personal experience, a lot of customers come on Creative Live and make other purchases because the classes are very professional and they can learn a lot by buying these classes. But make sure that you guys keep watching the video until the end, because I will show you the steps to do this method correctly and start making money. I will also show you a way to drive traffic to your affiliate link, so you can end up finding good consumers with targeted audience. I'm just going to show you how much earning potential there is on Creative Live. So if you go ahead and click on this class button right here and look for the option All Classes, you'll be sent to this website that contains all the Creative Live lessons. Now, Creative Live features over 1,000 classes in various categories. You can use these categories to drive visitors to specific classes. And one feature that I like about this website is that you can send people to some free classes, free courses and trainings. And if the people you referred actually like the free training and they think it gives a good value, they will be more likely to start purchasing other classes on the website. So if we go ahead and click on one of the courses right here, we can see more information about the online class. So we can just go ahead and watch the video. Since most of the classes that are on this website have an overview video that provides major elements of the class so clients can know what they're purchasing, we can see how much this class can cost in total and how much they would charge monthly on the site, as well as all the data about who the author is. And if we scroll down, we can even find reviews and client testimonials about this course. One of the few tips that I'm going to give you is look at the reviews. If a class has a lot of reviews and good ones, that means that the class tends to sell a lot. So you can just read the testimonials, and if you see a lot of people are given nice ones, you may have a larger possibility of people buying that class. Another suggestion is to stick to popular categories. For example, Adobe Photoshop. That is just one example of the most popular categories on the web. Anyways, I'm going to show you several ways to get free visitors so that you can have a better possibility of getting people to purchase the class. But wait, before I get to that, I'd like to remind you that we have more videos on this channel like this one. And the goal of this channel is to actually show you how you can generate passive income online and to reach financial freedom. I make sure to put a lot of effort and time into these videos, so if you like the content and you learned something, I would really appreciate it guys if you go ahead and like the video, subscribe and activate notifications, and also if you have any concerns or questions, leave a comment down below. Now let us continue. One extremely successful approach to gain free traffic is to go to twitter.com and sign up for a free account. So basically what you want to do on Twitter is just search for focused traffic, and that's very easy with Twitter because many people tweet their questions. Therefore, if you simply search how to use Adobe Photoshop for example, we can view all the tweets containing these terms. And because the course we are promoting is on Adobe Photoshop, these are the targeted audiences. So you can simply reach out to these people and react to their tweets recommending them to take a free course on Creative Live and paste your affiliate link down below. After taking free courses, you may be interested in other courses and possibly purchase some, allowing you to earn a commission. So go ahead and start talking with people on Twitter. And remember to be patient because it will absolutely pay off at the end. Another wonderful website to use for focused traffic is, well, Quora. Quora is quite similar to what we did before on Twitter, because we'll search for the questions of how to use Adobe Photoshop. Now, a lot of different threads will appear and you can simply choose one and leave a comment similar to what you did on Twitter. And if people utilize your affiliate link, you can start earning commissions like 30%, just like we said before. Another excellent technique, we can use Facebook to look for graphic design groups for example. Now these people have thousands of targeted individuals. You can just join them and make a post saying something like, hey guys, most people are actually using Adobe Photoshop the wrong way. And you can learn how to use it right away by checking out this free course. And then you can include your affiliate link, and once people click on your affiliate link, they will be inclined to purchase the course. Of course, you are not restricted to graphic design. You can use other categories as well. Just for the sake of this video, I used Adobe Photoshop as an example for you guys. All you have to do now is to try and find the right audience using these traffic sources. And that brings us to the end of the video today. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel, activate notifications, and leave a big thumbs up. That way, you can stay notified whenever I upload a video. And that is every day, guys. Also, leave a comment down below, tell me what you think of this method. And as always, I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Take care, guys.